The mission of the Latinx Center is essentially to provide a safe and brave space for students on campus. And this is going to be for any Latinx identifying students, but also any students who are interested in learning more about the Latin American culture. Mi casa es su casa. So this place, this building, this space is set up like a house. And because it's that way, we invite students to come in and make themselves at home here. You will be able to see the living room area where there's a TV, there are several couches where students come in, they either are on their laptops, they do homework, they watch TV, they play video games, they play board games. There are so many things that are available here. You'll also move around to the actual office space. So the office space where you'll have the printer, which there is free printing. There's a computer space that is available. We also have a kitchen, and the kitchen is definitely one of our, I would say, most popular spaces, not only because that's where all the cooking classes or just cooking in general takes place, but I think it also serves as another meeting room or a study room for students and for student organizations. When you do come in, the first thing you see are going to be the faces of the peer leaders. The peer leaders are students who are leading the way where it comes to representing the center. They will be leading the way, reaching out to first-year students and making sure that they know of the resources that we have available here in the center. We always have Latinx Heritage Month celebrations, and that's usually either small meetings during lunchtime where we call them Café con Leche, where we have different discussions about different topics within our community. We also have different events around campus as well. So another thing that we did was in collaboration with the Africana Center, we had Afro Latinx Night. This is a new series that we're trying to start and keep going either every semester, every year, where we touch on different geographic areas and different traditions of the African diaspora within Latin America. We're also trying to make sure that we establish a great connection with our alumni base. We want to make sure that they are brought into the fold to participate in any different programming that we do. So some of the student organizations that utilize our space, we have ALAS, the Association of Latin American Students, UIJ, United for Immigrant Justice, SOLES is the Society of Latinx Engineers and Scientists. There are several dance groups. We have Encendido, we have Roti and Rum. All of these student organizations, they use our space in different ways. The number one thing that we want you to know is that we are there and that we can provide you with all of the resources that you need, whether it's mental health counseling, whether you just want to talk to someone, whether you need to find a book in the library. We will be there for you. Unfortunately, we have all made the decision that we will close our physical spaces here in the fall, but that doesn't mean that we're actually closed. I want to make sure that students know that they are supported, even though no one is physically here.